Welcome back. So in this video, as I told you before, right in the previous video, that we will work on the FCT click event, that we will create a method. So guys, I want that I will first complete the UI design right in here for all the text form field, then we will come back right to that FCT and work will start on it. So we're gonna leave this empty for now. First we will complete the UI design, so let's go and do that. For now on, we just completed the job category, as you guys can see right in here. Now the other one that we will create for the job title right down below in here, so let's go and do that. So right in here, first we will have the text title for that job title. Okay, so in here we will say text title. There we go with the first one, text title. In here first we will set the label, so it's going to be job title. That's fine. Now put comma, and then we're going to have the text form field, okay, that we just created. As you guys know already, I will take the value key, controller, enable, etc. We will remove that for now, and we will add it one by one, so that you guys just don't get confused in that. In here put comma and take this down. So the first one, we will provide the property value key. As you guys know, it's job title, so copy that from here and here, paste it, but there will be no extra spacing. Okay, that's fine. Now let's set the controller. First we will go and create a controller for that job title, so that we will use it right in here. We didn't create it yet, so let's go and do that. For a time saving, I will simply copy that, okay, and where we go, in here I will simply paste it. We will make a little edit right in here, text editing controller, but this time it will be for the job title, and the text gonna be nothing, so there will be no text for the job title. You will simply remove that from here. So all good. Now we can simply go and use that right in the controller. Okay, there we go. In here comma. Now right after enable, gonna set this to true. Okay, right after FCT, gonna leave this empty, there is no need of that. Max length, we're gonna set it to 100, like we said for the job category right in here. So that's all. I have already hot reload the app, so there is no need of that. I will simply just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice the job title and the text form field also with the text title. So let's go and press the Ctrl S. There we go with the job title, okay, with the max length 100, as you guys can see right down in here on the right side. So all good, it's working totally fine, and you can enter in here the job title, for example anything, whatever you want in here, software engineer, beginner, anything like that. So let me just enter something. As you guys can see, it's working fine. Take this down. Now let's move further. Now the next text form field that we will create it for the job description. So what we will do, we will simply, for the time saving, copy that whole code from here to here. Okay, copy it, and down below in here paste it, but this time we will change this to the job description. Okay, and from here we will copy that in here, paste it, as you know, there will be no extra spacing right in the value key. Okay, and the last thing that we will do, simply just go and create the controller for the job description. In here we will copy it, and in here paste it. It's going to be for the job description. Fine. Now we can simply go and use that controller. Let us go down, write in the controller for the job description, in here paste it, and this is going to be true. FCT will be like that, there is no need of that, and max length will be 100. Now simply just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the output for the job description. There we go with the job description with the max length 100. Now in here you can enter anything, whatever you want, okay, for the description for a job. And one more thing guys, let me tell you, in here, as I told you before, I will explain this. Okay, so in here the max length is 3 for now, right in here in the job description, because the value key it's equal to job description, and that's why in here there is that third line 1 2 3. Okay, so if you guys want to change that, want to increase it or decrease it, just simply in here remove that. So let's say I want in here 2. Now press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the change right in here in the job description text form field. Just press the Ctrl S. There we go. It's a little small now because it's a 2 line, and if you guys want to increase it, like just set it to 4, press the Ctrl S, and there we go. Okay, so there's the purpose, that's why we set this right in here. I will go with the 3. Okay, now let's go down. So we are done all the way to the job description. Now we will create another text form field. It will be simply for the job deadline date. So what we will do, as you guys know already, for time saving, copy that down in here, paste it, but this time it is gonna be job deadline date. Just copy that and in here paste it, short name. Okay, deadline. The value key will be just deadline. Now the last thing that we will do is simply go and create a controller for the deadline date controller. Copy that from here, okay, and down in here paste it. It's going to be for deadline date. Now we can simply go and use that right in the controller of a deadline in here, paste it, and this will be empty. We will leave this empty for now. Later on we will create a method and we will call upon that method right in here. It will be simply for the pick date dialog. Okay, so for now there is no need of that. We will work on that right in the future videos. So as I told you before, first we will complete the UI design. So that's all for the job deadline date. Now simply just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the job deadline date and their text form field. Just press the Ctrl S. There we go with the job deadline date, the max length 100 text form field. Everything is just right in here. Okay, now that's fine. You can manually add the date from here or right in the future videos. As I told you before, we will create a method by the name of pick date dialog. So simply the user, whenever we click right in here, it will simply get the user to the date dialog, and the user will simply select the date from there. So we will work on that right in the future videos. So it's working totally fine for now. Okay, this video ended right here, and see you in the next one.